Oh, look what is here. Finally, you know, since they send the message that is everything cheap and is on the way, I'm like checking every day to see when it's arriving to my door, and it took longer than I was expecting, but it's here. I already cut. I haven't seen what I have inside of this because I wanted to be a surprise. I didn't select any specific kind of yarn. I wanted to surprise me. So let's see what we got here. And slowly, 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 we open like this. I will turn like, oh, there. I haven't seen. I'm looking the paper, and my color is red. It's red. Ooh, you know what? It's really beautiful. In the picture on the TV, it shows a little, let me show you. See this picture? This is not so shiny like you see there. The pictures were really good. This looks like more like it was a Photoshop or something. This is the same color, but this has a little more sheen. It's very soft. Is thicker than all the other ones that we got before. I think it's like 3 or 2, and it's another Knitcrate Knitology. What we have here, it's the colorway is Light Up, 40% superwash merino, 30% silk, 30% alpaca. Worsted weight is 150, 137 meters is 100 grams. Suggest needle will be US 8 to from 8 to 10 or 5 to 6 millimeters. It's a hand wash, only lay flat to air dry. Nice. So we got 2 of these. Really nice. You know, it has a little sheen, but it's not like a lot. I think the light helps a lot, but in real is a little more dull than the pictures that I was looking here. It's really nice yarn. Let's see, open. I don't know if it has any little extra tone. No, it's all red, no different tones. It's okay. I like that because sometimes I like to have also neutral color, and it's really nice, very soft. Yeah, it's very, very soft. Let me see something else. It's not itchy. I can tell you that it's not itchy at all. I am always afraid when it has a little of alpaca, and it's not itchy. And I have a lot of allergies, and for some reason some of the itchy yarns can make my skin get that allergy pop faster. So cute, cute. Now, what else they sent? This is, oh, this is the elephant that they were talking. It's a really tiny, it's a Mermaid City yarn. Mermaid City yarn in Never Enough Whimsy. And it's a tiny elephant. Can we, very, very tiny with a little light blue pearl. It's made like a, it's really, really, really cute. It's the way that it was made, like handmade. I think it's plastic. Not, yeah, I think it's plastic. It looks a lot like this that are carved on like bond, but I think it's plastic. I don't think it's bond. It doesn't say anything here. And then we have the magazine. Very beautiful picture. I love how they put the stars because it has a little of the sheen. Do you have here? No. I think the one that was for, okay, so we have here the original price of each one of these yarns are $24. So if you think about having 2 of these yarn, that the price is $24, plus the little detail that you have like a stitch counter or a stitch holder whatever you want to call, is $48 plus. We will say that the other one is just making like $2, is still being over the price of the box, so it's really good. The partners in a glance, you have this beautiful it's like a cowl, or it's made in crochet. Then you have these ones will be for the knit. For the socks you have 2 options. I think they did more than 2 options. Here are the colors. The elephant greets each membership Knitcrate subscriber, and he's ready to mind the start of your rounds and rows with a handy lobster clasp that works well for knitting or crochet, and the price is $3, so I was very close to the real price. For the socks yarn, pretty colors too. We have the instructions, and just let's go. This is the caul. The name is Risley Caul. The other was hand warmers, Ringlater hand warmers. 1 second. These will be Vargas socks. And after the snow slippers. I like these, very nice. And for the next month we have Take a Wing for August 2019. These will be kind of the colors that we are looking. Join the knit round. So I can see pretty colors. I will have to see what colors they will put. It's more like the nature, birds and everything. Very cute. Ooh, can you imagine these colors in one? So many pretty, those colors too. Very down. Let's see what they are bringing the next month. So this is what we got for this month. It's really nice. I like the color. It's very pretty. It's very soft. I will be looking what I will knit with these. So many ideas, so many ideas. Let me show you what happened with the previous month. So the previous month we got this. I got this color that is a really pretty lavender color. This is a Vida Lana, also by Knitcrate, and the color was Wee Violet. And this was 48 merino wool, 20% baby alpaca, and 32 organic cotton. For this month, of course, I love to create my style and try to go from one side to another until I find what I want to do. And for that month, I create this little bolero. It's really cute. I put pearls on the top, trying to do very delicate. One of the ideas was like, if I don't wear these, I will send to my niece. She is like, she's training to be ballerina, and she's very girly, and honestly when I saw this one, it was like a ballerina style bolero. I only put the bottoms here. Usually they have this all open. I think I needed to do a little more here, like when I block these, to make a little more straight. But my mom knows how to take care, and I already told her about this, and she will do it. And neck, I tried to do a little more square. It's not round, totally round. It has a little of the square. This part was done on crochet after I finished. The little bolero can actually be used in both sides if you don't think on the bottoms. It looks good in both way. If you want from the other side, you will have this style, then you have the English stitch on the lines, that it makes also really cute. Or if you want on this other side, you have actually the main thing is the English stitch, and then it goes the, how you call, garden? I'm not sure. So that is, I like to have the pearls like something that pretty distinguished in ballet, to see pearls and delicate colors. So that is the reason. I didn't want to do long sleeves, because being more like a summery or a spring bolero, I wanted something that be like short sleeves. And the other idea was like how much yarn I have. I use every inch of the yarn that I got for this month, and I got the bolero. I love this. And also I keep knitting with the yarns that I have from the previous month. As you know, previous month I got also this one with this one. I will be honest, this I'm having a hard time to find projects for this one. It's a beautiful combination of colors, and I know that if you find the right project, you can have something really pretty, but I haven't found a real project for this one. What I create this time, I decided to combine with brown yarn that I got. I was thinking on doing like a little bolero. Actually, that was the original thing, and it didn't work so good because it's so skinny. It's another citrology. This one is a knitology yarn, and it's a finger weight, so it was not easy to do the bolero with that. So I decided to do a little purse, and this was the idea, to use this for the sunflower and this for the body of the purse. And that's how I did. This is the purse. If you see, it has like, this is the thickness of the purse here. Of course it's empty right now, so it doesn't see anything in there. It has a zipper that goes from one side to another, so it makes it easy to lock whatever you put inside of the purse. I want to say I'm not an expert knitting or on crochet, by the way. I get the inspiration looking videos, magazines, and I saw this one, and I block my sunflower. I put a little bottom that is also the same color than the zipper. Is kind of, I tried to do round. It was going to be just like this before, but then I decided to play a little with how it goes in the top, just to give more volume and to also have more room. Then I have all the string that is also knit, and like you begin to knit the string, and then in some point what I did is keep knitting and putting together these two parts of the purse. In that way is make like in only one step, and you don't have to sew anything else than the button and the zipper. So that is what I did, and of course I still having a lot to do. Something will come from this. The next project, remember that we also got another yarn that was this one, that when I the first thing that I created was my first socks. Of course, my first socks, and I got so much left that I decided that I need to use this. It's so beautiful. I love the color, I love the combination, and I decided to create a purse, another kind of purse. This is more like a project purse, and I play with everything, and I included the little what is the name? These little bottoms that they sent to us, part of the box, and I did a purse like this. It's not complete. I'm working on that. It has a zipper here, a hard base, so it keeps the shape. Has a little there, so I can keep the shape of the purse. And then I have these little holes that I create with eyelets. So when you are knitting something, if you have like, I don't know, whatever project you are working, you just keep your knitting here, or begin your knitting, and then you can have your yarn going here, so it can go in that way. Or you can have a second yarn also coming if you're playing with colors. As soon as you finish knitting something, just move here, put the yarn and the project inside, close, and that is close to this part, instead of going with all the project all the way to the top, you know, to keep the project safe. So this is a project that I still need to finish. I need to finish this part of the purse, because I think I will put eyelets also there, or maybe elastic. I will see what will be a better idea. I'm just creating this in a very simple way. The base was crochet, all the base of the purse, and then I went up with English stitch all the way up, and then I create the I sew this together here. I didn't do like in the previous one. Okay, so this is all that I did with the Knitcrate yarns that I had got previous. This is 2 months ago, and this is the previous month. I think I was able to accomplish more in this last month, and now I have this one to create something good. We'll see. I'm not sure what I will do. Maybe a sweater. Oh, it's kind of close to that. No, it's a little more dull than this one, but not so far from that. So if you're still having these, maybe you can do something like the purse that I did. That can be good. But I am thinking that I will be combining this one with white this time. I think white will be a very nice combination for this. I kind of have some ideas of what I will do, and I will share with you when it's done. Yeah, pretty. So thank you, Knitcrate, for sending so beautiful yarns. This little decoration, I will not lie, I miss having a candy. Do you remember, like 4 years ago, it used to come some kind of candy? I'm always on a diet, but for some reason it was my time to cheat and eat the candy while I was beginning to put my yarn on the spinner. Or tea, I got also tea. But I'm happy with the yarns that I'm getting. I noticed that now is more like Knitcrate yarns. We will see if they will go for another brands too, or we will keep going with the Knitcrate yarns. I want to make sure that it's not always exactly the same, you know, because then it stops being interesting to getting exciting yarns. Okay, so this is what I got. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got the colors that you like, or the surprise that you got was amazing. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon. Bye bye.